My introduction is based on crickets, and I will be speaking about how the crickets are while they are in the box or the container. From this lab report, it's all about to know about the experiments on this lab project. My opinion is that it's important because it makes you to know the difference between one thing that changes and one thing that can be really different. I would say that this project is something known as experiencing something that you haven't seen or touched, and all animals are not the same because not all of them don't have the same distance to move or to do something. My hypothesis. I predict that these crickets are very slow to fast to jump because all are living as condition where they have to have their own home and feel comfortable. Also, I will say that crickets are insects that are hard to tell because they are small or medium and they are different colors and not all are the same. Questions to answer. Number 1. How much of this will change the animal to act the reaction? Number 2. How many food does each cricket eat daily per day? Materials and equipment. These are the materials that I need to make the experiment on seeds and plants. Number 1. Dirt. Number 2. Pencil. Number 3. A Chromebook. Number 4. A bucket. Number 5. Crickets. Number 6. Light. Number 7. Type amount of liquids that are used for this. Procedure versus results. Number 1. Make a record while where the 4 crickets will feel comfortable. Number 2. Make a left side moist and the other side to be dry to see how the crickets are feeling. Number 3. Feed the crickets food dish and human food to see which one they like more. 2 scoops of food dish and feed crickets human food bean. Number 4. Last but not least, see how fast the crickets. See how the crickets will go about walking or they will be running. My conclusion. My conclusion for this project is that each project from something you are working is different as working something right now. A good investigation is to put all the materials in order to know what you are using and what are things you can't see and what you can't use. Although I would say that all the crickets are different as some can move fast and slow and some can change their habit as they're living and food learning more about crickets or other animals are fun to know because they know how they are about their habit. I would say this project is really fun because you know the difference of the crickets, how their distance goes, and their food.